Santosh. Welcome to my channel. So recently you have been completed your FAT exams. So now we are going to enter into the second semester, that is a winter semester. So for that, many students having the queries regarding what subjects we need to take, and it is necessary a compulsory subjects we need to do in the semester or not. So everything in detail I'm going to explain in this video. So please do watch completely. First, coming to the subjects, see, actually in the second semester, whatever the VAT given is compulsory, we need to do in the semester only. And the next thing, um, is there any subjects we can do in the next semester also? Yes, there are some subjects we can do in the next semester also. So before that, it's easy to get 9 points. I mean, it's easy to get S grade in the particular subjects or not. I'm going to discuss these things also. So first of all, um, coming to the subjects. So first subject, it is a differential equation and transforms. So it is a 4 credit course. So I guess it's very important subject. So it is you need to do this subject, and then next up the subject. So it is 4 credits course. Next, programming course they offer Java. So it is compulsory course we need to do in the semester only. Then technical English, for that you as lab also. So definitely we need to do. And then it is a compulsory course, a soft skill, soft skills compulsory course we need to do in the semester only. Then after engineering chemistry, see, some if you have completed engineering physics in the first semester, then you are going to do engineering chemistry in second semester. So like many students, I mean most of students will registering the engineering chemistry in second semester, but some members are not registering the engineering chemistry. So better, my best suggestion is do engineering chemistry in the second semester only, because easy to get S grade in the subject, very easy only. So it's very easy to get S grade. If you have been postponing to the next semesters, then it may be hard, because sometimes you may get clash with the other subjects. So better to you can do in this semester only. Another subject, a basic electrical engineering. So this is a common subject to any branch. So compulsory we need to do. And then another subject is a digital logic and microprocessor. So it is compulsory course and we need to do. So all courses are compulsory. Engineering physics also, chemistry also compulsory. So then next, coming to the S grade, like easy to get S grade subjects. So soft skill is easy to get S grade. Easy to get S grade in the soft skills. And then in engineering chemistry also easy subject only. The basic electrical engineering also, yeah, it's easy subject, you can easily get S grade. And if you're very good at math, then you can easily get S grade in this. So not much difficult subject, these are very basic subjects only. So you can easily get S grade. So easily you can get 9 points in 9 point GPA in the second semester. So coming to the credits, how many credits are there? So we can calculate now. So 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 2 9, 10, 13, 14, 16, 20, 21, and then 22 and half credits you're going to take. Along that, if you have if the VAT allowed to take any other extra courses, you can take the courses, um, is your wish. Next, in the next upcoming video, I'm going to make the faculties. So for what subjects, what faculties we need to take. So next one. So it's easy to grade and no need to worry about the subjects. Very basic subjects are these all. So these are the common subjects to every branch. Um, so no need to worry. So thank you everyone. Please do subscribe my channel for the latest videos.